I promised Liam I'd get him onto a plane and he probably thinks we're jetting off somewhere hot. Well, unfortunately I can't offer much heat, but I have aircraft aplenty here at the Ulster Aviation Society Museum just outside Belfast. We're in the cockpit of a helicopter, Liam, and you're the pilot. Should I be worried?
Nothing to worry about, Jane. The fly we're looking at today has nothing to do with going up in the air. It's fly meaning sly, sleekit, cute.
But not cute, like a wee cute fluffy kitten.
No, cute like a fox.
What's a fly move?
If you were running the marathon and somebody gave you a lift and you pretended you'd run the hill road, that's a fly move.
Or I would say, if I did that, there were no flies in me. You're a fly boy, Liam Logan. We'll see you soon.